Welcome, everybody. It's your girl Delores, just a pink girl in her pink world, here with another unboxing. I told you we had some unboxings to do this week, and I meant it. Okay, this time it's from Auntie Ellen, which is Garden Quilt and Art Show GQUAT. Make sure you go over and check out our channel. Hi, hi, Spirit Fingers. Hi, everybody. It's your girl Delores here to kind of get you acquainted with me, but we can't help it. This right here. Put it like this. Wait a minute, back it up. Made me disappear. This right here. Because my shirt is matching it. So this time I don't think, even though there's some tape, I have to fight this, which is probably good because I fought the last package you all saw yesterday. So let me open it up and see what I got. Okay. So let's see what we got. Put it a little bit closer. Okay. Ooh, I see pink. And I see a card. Hold on, let me put the card right there. Oh, that's my Auntie Ellen. She always gives me such beautiful cards. Look at that. It's got a little pink flower. Oh my God. Oh, I'm not going to read it, but I appreciate the card. I appreciate the gift because she just told me what it is. It is my very own little phone bag, ladies and gentlemen. I think you all can see it. Pull back. There we go. You can see my own very little phone bag. Oh, wait a minute. Won't let me be great. You know, some days your computer loves you, some days it don't. But look at this. Look at this. Has a little tie. Look at this. Oh my God. I got a little phone bag, y'all. Look, listen. You ain't told me nothing. You ain't told me nothing. Phone bag. Oh, look at that. Look at that. I'm gonna be rocking this everywhere. Ladies and gentlemen, go on over to Auntie Ellen. Order you one. She makes pillows, she makes quilts, she makes anything you can think of. She can make stuff out of plastic. I tell you, this right here, this is good quality. Look at it. Oh my God. It is like durable. And she has her little logo on it. Oh my God, this is so beautiful. Thank you, Auntie Ellen. Thank you. I appreciate every single gift she sends me because I know it's from her heart and she's made something that will last generations. This bag, the other bag that you saw me unbox, the pillow that I've gotten, these things will outlive me. So look at that. I got a little phone bag. So listen, I'm gonna come around the house and I'm gonna tote this with my little pink. Hold on, back up. Pink strap. Ain't gonna tell me nothing. You ain't gonna tell me nothing. Not a thing can you tell me now that I got this. Okay. So, ladies and gentlemen, I will be tagging Auntie in the description, like I did yesterday with RX Nails. So again, thank you, Auntie Ellen, for my bag. Listen, I love my Auntie Ellen. I'm ride or die, Auntie Ellen. So make sure you go over and check out her channel. You know, order your family something. It'll be forever and ever something that they will love and cherish. She does classes if you want to learn how to do these things. Listen, telling you, it is worth every penny because I'm telling you, I got this. Oh my God, it is worth everything. Everything I've ever gotten from her. So, again, everybody, thank you for coming. Just a little short unboxing. We got some more this week. I got some more stuff from some people in the YouTube community. Some stuff I bought. We're going to break down my birthday. I know. I had a good time. I ate good. I felt good. I had cute, good stuff. And I forgot to tell you about it, but I got it for you, okay? And don't forget on Friday at 11 o'clock is my art series, Delores Loves Art, where I show you the art that I've colored either electronically or I'm going to start showing you some of the things that I've done painting-wise and otherwise. So make sure you're there. And until then, I want to say peace.